get on the remix. One time, two time, Azundo. Yeah, you're ready. I'm ready. Ladies,
she wanna chop my pee, do I look like square? I mean, do you really care? Cause what's yours you keep, you don't really share. I see how you move in there. You better just stay in line. All I wanna do is just make you mine. You make my heart beat like playing rhyme. Now you won't leave and say goodbye. African lady, you know say you drive me crazy. I can't let you do me shady. The things that you do don't face me. London baby, you know say you drive me crazy. I can't let you do me shady. The things that you do don't face me. She done do me right, oh. But she just spent my money, oh. What am I gonna tell my mommy, oh? I should've listened before.
Don't see when beside the dance.
That's what I made this one. Shakara don't they dance some bed dance. I don't just understand the pattern. Shakara ogre.
I mean, they took it. You know, this is better.
He was I want that shock.
You never know the doggy.
Yes, I beg if you don't want to say what you did, you know, see there any other place but the TV station we go keep go to give you Nkwobe live. Yes, this one at the show they call Bubbles.
Yeah.
We yarn the yarn.
They leak well.
She say show me the hungry. The way they answer
I don't understand the way that babe take give you this thing today. Which way?
I mean, it's supposed to change your this thing for you.
Now today on. Now today drink.
That's why quite more people do.
I mean, yes,
I beg.
Orlando says we dey here. Always we dey carry better topics they can't give una. We won't talk about. Today, they very sploofic. But before I sunjam, Chakra.
Go on, mama.
Why I said?
How was your day yesterday?
Show up. Man, yesterday was sploofic. As I come out from here yesterday.
That your girlfriend house, now you go.
No be even.
That one waiting for
I go buy something chop first.
That waiting for Ja. Now you go yesterday.
But why you go sleep for girl yourself? No, now we
No, but Shakara, it's not a bad thing. You know why? Because sometimes
see me see trouble.
No, they defend yourself now.
We just defend for you address. There's nothing there that guy.
Because that's why like see,
your girl now no figure apartment money they go hotel. For what?
He did very wrong.
He did wrong.
Because like that you feel no get where to go stay. You understand?
But they wake up on time. Come on, in case.
I know say all these backers, if you don't go to the house, go service them in the morning. No, my brother, you are doing well. After all, you get some big men when we say their cars, no, they go mechanic. The mechanic they call them.
I mean, what time we carry consult you know today? Make I leave all this bend them, then we'll open my chapter. I mean, the one you talk today, well. Oh, glory to God. Please. It good make your partner they check your food.
This thing.
It good make your partner they check your phone.
Sorry, you for like
your partner get right.
Topic.
Oh, next time,
it good,
make it a go sleep. Make it go sleep. Your girlfriend, what? Throw this topic.
We bought trap.
You go make it go sleep your girlfriend house.
Yes, you good make man they go sleep. Shakara.
And that day,
take.
And that day we no go contribute me and you. We don't leave only him. We just stay here because we get the whole experience.
Viewers,
tell us the advantage.
Viewers, please, if you agree with us, what Shakara has said, topic for next week. He good make man they go sleep for
girlfriend house.
Forget girlfriend.
Or woman house.
For woman house. So he good. Next week topic.
So, but the matter we get to talk about today before they turn the things another thing I say, your partner get right to they check your phone. You good? That's what you want to talk about. Our social media portals they run through your screen. Make you sharply follow us. Talk on top Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Every. I beg, follow us for Twitter so that we will follow you back and we will always talk regularly. Because now the ones who they follow us, now we always follow talk regularly. We say we always get all these things from them. So we come here and talk about them. Now, when it comes to phone, I believe say phone a private thing. A personal thing. If you never marry, I believe say phone a personal thing.
No, forget marriage.
Your girlfriend no suppose they check your phone for no reason. Why are you talking like that? A lot of girls these days, they get this mentality, say, because then they check, their boyfriends, they allow them check their phones are based on trust. But trust no go start from say when you dey check the guy phone. If you decide not to trust the guy on your own, no say you no trust him on your own. But if you can't bring and say to check him phone, it get as it be. Because how you go feel say your guy they pick your calls, they check your phone. You know, say so many people know they understand.
For the first time we go drop topic, it come immediately, just stay on one side, just they attack the team.
Yeah, because you know good.
Who should know where they pay now.
Good.
You know where you don't bite them.
Where they bite you like this, where they pay you like this?
No, fire them.
No,
Now you get the whole publicity.
They fire.
No.
Because next week go, now we go talk. Oh, because next week I go follow that.
No.
So see, the matter na see, but sincerely, let's be truthful with ourselves. You know, say you get life before you meet your babe. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You get some couple of people will be your friends way back before you meet your babe. So now, you know, say some babes stay like this way, be say, if they can't enter your life, finish. They go walk on the tell you, okay, this person, no deal with them again. This person, no deal with them again, which is impossible. It get role with those people they play for your life. You they feel me? So, and if you can't give your babe access to your phone and to the pick your phone calls, come on, man. How about more problem, good day.
Basically, go I feel say that the way the two people take understand themselves. Again, what will happen?
You are speaking the minds of the prophets. Go ahead.
Okay. See, again, what will happen recently? Again, one event where I go. Get one guy and me MC the guy wedding. So the guy and my friend, all of us consider together. So in wife, come dey one side, she no sit down with us, the guys, come dey one side. So me, when I come waka go where she dey play Candy Crush. Understand? But as you come out for the Candy Crush, on top of the phone, you want to see messages, as in, you get many messages. Now call the tell say, see your, this and that. She say, no, say na Abuja phone, say na her husband phone, say no be her phone. You see that one, I don't show you, say, the guy they free in phone for her, but she, no, they go check.
Thank you. That one makes sense.
Now, where I won't attack Ugo. Because Ugo starts the show, come begin, they talk about the black, say now only women, they do this thing. No, hold on.
No,
you get a credit. Let me tell you.
Now both, now male and female.
Because you know talk them that way. Because you see most times, like you talk, now how you take start the relationship.
Yes.
You get some guys where you go, where you they see, where you don't know. Say that guy, they check his girlfriend phone. So that why the girl follow repeat the same thing. Like you said the first time, phone is a personal thing. The same way the way people say phone and mobile phone, no be landline. They can't they work out with you. So and that's why you to keep your phone. If you keep your phone as landline, well your girl feel they tempted to one car and they check.
But you know, say you get some relationships, no matter how you take start them, even if you try let them know, say, okay, this thing na my own, na my personal thing. I beg, see the rules and regulations will take start the relationship. You know, based on owner. Like this, we take start the relationship. Now, in the middle of it, or in the midst of it, either the guy or the babe go on come they use them against you. Say, okay, now because say you get so many things, now it make you bring up that again in the first place. Same one they check phones. See, I don't see relationships where we say, then fight, quarrel. Waiting cause the quarrel. The babe go talk, say, hey, the guy no dey agree and check his phone. The guy go talk, say, hey, my babe don't agree me do this one.
You see,
now,
all this things na personal thing, but we know one thing we always talk, we say, waiting you no fit
kill you.
And we always advise most time. But at the same time, sometimes waiting you know fit also help you come out early. You understand? Like me, if I want to check my anybody phone, I fit check before marriage. When I don't marry, enter inside. I don't go like to check.
You see that style. You see what I see for that my friend own. I swear to God, I envy them. I can't wish say me I feel do like that. To be say, my babe, if you give me her phone, I they do something else with the phone. Maybe wait. I feel you understand. Now you don't sign me call, but my friend.
I know you very well, my friend. If you want to address people, say the way it is.
I wish.
No, you wish.
Is it wrong to wish?
Okay, yeah, it's true.
Even the person will say
you wish.
The person will say I wish. She did America where everything did.
It's true.
But still sing I wish.
I like the fact that you say I wish because
the person will sing I believe I can fly. He did America where everything did. But still sing say he believe. Understand?
So
you know just say.
In other words, what Zachariah is saying is that he wish, but he knows it don't go possible. Based on in nature.
No.
Now you won't give your girlfriend.
I bet more than leave this argument first. No rush you. I go for street.
Before you go this street,
we carry on.
Can Zachariah give his girlfriend his phone?
Can you give your girlfriend your phone?
On the street.
She fit check my phone if I dey sincere with her. She can go ahead and check my phone. She fit check my phone, no problem.
Definitely. She get every right to check my phone. But like the kind wife for me I get, she need to send. Now once in a while, she dey do am. Just once in a while, she fit just collect my phone, play am. But me, I know say I no get cockroach inside my cupboard. So if she come like that, take the phone. You understand? But in the other way around, she need agree make her check her phone. Now by force, I dey use check am. It dey right and it dey wrong at the same time.
Now why my partner go dey check my phone? Na my phone, na no be her own. Wetin concern her inside my phone? Na me and her follow by the phone. Why she go check? Anyway, make I no lie. They get as the partnership, as na business now. They get as it go reach. Where we say if we don't dey near and go water, she fit get access to my phone. I fit tell her say, baby, help me check who they call. Let me check. But now if I send a message, now she go check am. If I no send them, she no go touch the phone. Now me buy and me get them. Now my line, she no go check am. And me say if I no go check her phone, unless you give me reason to dey suspect am, then I go check your own phone.
Yes. You welcome back. Nasi Bobozi and on top Wazobia TV. Yes, and if you just join us, matter what they talk about today. Now, your partner get right to check your phone. Then the matter what they talk about today. I beg, follow us talk. Our social media portals they run through your screen. Make you follow us talk because I don't understand which all these men they follow me inside this bar today.
Make me laugh. Now one thing we happen one time. You know all these women we like to check phone. The question, you get one girl. Anytime when the guy phone ring, you go say, who is this? Who is Tina? Who is Tina? Who is Tina? Every guy go to call and explain. Who is Messi? Who is Joy? Who is this? Who is Monica? One day, that's when the phone just beep. Boop. She just kind of, who is low battery? Who is low battery? the phone get low battery. The thing called low battery. Who is low battery?
The one where I put there, Ogo, where I put again as a guy when don't remind me that this Mumu husband we don't they ping for a phone since. Now he call as the wife call they call him. She won't make him bring something for him. Honey. The guy they form sleep. Now the wife can't come. As she can't come see her in the form sleep. Now she just begin the pattern. They do like say, oh baby you're sleeping. As the pattern she carry the phone. As she just they looking for next week give her now. Tawai! When the guy wake up, she say she don't check for WhatsApp. She says last seen on WhatsApp 1 minute ago. The one that say how you want to sleep. Meanwhile, I get one more story. I get one Hausa friend. You know say Muslims, if you marry as plenty as possible. So this my friend wife don't go carry a phone. Come see say the guy do on Facebook, on Twitter. Come see as babes they send her messages. Now she come call her, they call the harass man. Like say it's not nice. You are cheating on me. Oh boy. Now where they are calling yourself, I like the Muslim. And the guy look wife, he one night and say, can say anyway, I have the right to marry more than one wife. The next time you touch my phone again, I will bring in 3 women here and marry them. Which one do you prefer? If I say please. So I want to go ahead. But really, so the guy they do dating online now.
This issue boils down to the fact of make you understand the next person. We
know say you like understanding.
Because yes, it's very key, and the talk is very key because see,
and it's understanding.
You know, say okay, like for instance now, the 3 of us now, we know the kind of work we they work. You know, expect person like me to go house around 7 o'clock. Let's say for instance,
no, but Ugo.
Chill. But babe, we go date with guy like me. Go need to understand. Say I have numerous friends. I have plenty.
And from what you said now, now give me more idea. Now I like this bar because when with the yarn, when are the alcohol or when are the talk, they make person think. This thing when you talk now, I don't feel it's a bad thing. Make woman they check or man they check in partner phone. But I blame you before you even start to date that person or marry the person. Because you know, so you get person where you go marry, we match with you well. We understand your kind of person. For instance, now, if 2 baba before you even be married and he been they check in phone, you know, so they for no marry now.
But that 2 baba and Annie, you like say you know go use them as example because those 2 people They be like people will be friends for belle.
Now they
You know
talk,
what?
They
eh?
are made
See,
for each other.
You
simply.
see? So they
See,
understand
because
themselves well.
If you go say, Annie go dey, girl go dey wan play with two baba. Now she go call the tell the girl say, kiss him, kiss him. You
And
know those kind of things.
and I know why girls are wicked. She go there, then go disturb and she go quiet. They go house. Girls wicked. You they see person wife, they follow and go. They see 2, 3, they disturb and they go. She just they laugh. Don't worry, when we reach the car,
You
we
won't
know who will
enter
enter your house. So
You know?
you see, so you must know your person because most times if girl will never dey into entertainment industry, no know how they be like. You can't go marry that kind of person. By the time when you know their house, and you come back late for night, my brother, your phone. Now thought you go dey watch. She know they watch you. Now your phone she dey
get
watch.
wetin I feel, say, go fit make things easier. It depends your first reaction when you look your partner phone. You understand? Like me now, I never do am, but I don't plan am down. Say okay, because you know as man the age, man gats to the
They
think upgrade.
Okay,
you
of
understand?
the
Now,
strategy to lie.
it not be lie to help
okay.
relationship. Like first time I go away, I will look my girl phone and I say, all these people they send you this kind of message. You go let them know say you don't get serious baba. You understand? That's on a lighter mood. You understand? More just go and continue.
But you dey give a license to only tell you the same thing too.
They give
No,
her
no, no,
license.
no.
Everyone, maybe we rush go do CC opinion because it's still there inside
be
here. They talk.
license.
May we see wetin dem CC them talk on top this matter.
Okay. More go see your opinion.
CC
Come back.
opinion with the come.
They not get the rights.
No, my partner no get right to check my phone unless say na me permit am to check my phone. If he dey check my phone, that means he no trust me. We not supposed to date.
Shebi na partner we be na padi we be na so. As I get the right to your own phone, he sef get the right to my own phone.
If love there,
He has a right. He get right. You understand? Because so far I don't get anything to hide. I don't see that one as problem. Not only when person get everything they hide, now you go to feel say making partner no checking phone. But so far you don't get anything there. Wait till they there. If you want to check my picture, in day free. If you want to check my message, in day free. So far you know use the information contact and they do another thing. No, I don't get problem with that one.
No big deal, because there is nothing so special in as much as you no get something inside your cupboard. You go dey simple. At least you just tell him no problem now. Check it. Since your mind is clear, your mind dey clear, no wahala, him fit check am.
Yes, so now welcome back. That's it, Bobo Zé, on top was Obia TV. In fact, as we did ask his opinion, Shakara just they talk plenty.
I just dey try to let people know say, as soon as just start that relationship, where you know say you don't like her, let her know because she fine. Let her know say, I know say you fine. No many people don't told you. I know say some of them number they, but now me they here now. I'm here to stay. I'm here to love you. If you know say this thing, you won't work with them, delete all those guys. Tell them they don't call you again. You understand? No be saying a fight. No be saying say, who be those guys who they call you before? I don't want. But the way what take present the matter go make her free. You understand?
But you know, say get the level where some either babe or guys them they do it. Say some couple of friends where you get. Okay, like we been do one topic that time of pet names. Abi, now some people they will be say they know this your friends them physically, but now you know your friends them. We be say una they use this kind of word. You get some friends who be say some female friends.
That right time. That's the right time. That
baby,
time.
what's
Who
up, love?
Who go?
Hi, hon. You know that kind of
go
thing.
to cool. That time where I use they tell you say I don't come now. All those people. Now that time you can't use tell me say you see David. That one. If they call me anytime, oh, na my primary school friend. Wait. Me, I don't know.
Dana.
You can call like 3 or 4 names. We be, you understand?
Dana, you. Some people they will be say once you don't tell them that one like this way enter their head. Guy, they don't want to hear them.
The coffee say that David they crank you. See, now you don't trust your girl. You understand?
Everything based on trust.
But let me tell you the truth. It boys are because I don't know how they look social media now. They see plenty of these things. If which is very very hard for men to be very very faithful. It did very hard.
You know hard.
It did no. I mean
for Africa.
Because we they talk say we be African men. That's why. So if it's the African men, if they right.
We have faith. We get faithful African men.
And
if you
I know they tell you say
now.
you know they.
African men we faithful be like tight too. Now 10%.
Even that tight is more. Because I did among the faithful men. Because like I tell everybody, say,
oh yeah, read the social media.
Read social media.
No worry.
Sakara,
No worry about the
Read social
explanation.
media, forget
Just-
this.
That's
Forget.
only that
So,
word where you talk.
Only
Don't
read social media. No worry.
Jude Ekene.
Uh-huh.
Yes, because marriage makes the two parties to become one unseparable body. Emecheta Dinhofino Emmanuel saying she dey free. I dey tell you, Dinhofino. She
Na
dey
them
free
Emecheta
to
say.
check my phone as she be my wife. You see, most people now, because this, most people they support. I want to follow we no talk anything about. Hopkins Sebastian says she don't have the right to pick my calls or read my message. Me too, I don't have the right to pick her calls and also read her message. Ehije Bashir Ugwi. Sure, it's supposed to be like that because now so they build trust. If no secrets, why hide or password your phone? Even you they play away match, it's still good to be fair. Even if they play away match, it's still good to be free. So doing you go dey faithful someday.
I don't understand that where that guy dey come from. Even if they play way much, good to be free. If that free in essence is that when you deal with your wife, you know say your wife now you owe every explanation. That girlfriend, you don't owe any explanation. If she call like this, you fit tell her like Godons. But I tell you now, you see Godons tell me. Also, Twali, Godons say once number call, they ain't go just tell the wife, hey, maybe na principality o. Not those, because this number don't come from Facebook before. If they tell me say like me, you understand? It make everything free. But meanwhile, after I don't condemn the girl there, you know, pick the call. Sometimes I go pick the call and I say, why you they call me? You don't know say I don't marry. You call me the other day, I tell you say I don't marry. You don't know say I don't marry. Then when you
That
go
na
out,
good- that na good scope.
wait. Now when you call go out tomorrow, you go call her. Now what for you? Mama dey around, man. I make her dey answer you like that, you know.
I want to read two last ones, and I want tell una where they send us una messages, Facebook, Twitter, whatever they say. Mona they try no make am too long. Because if it too long, I don't feel read am when it too long. Because some people they just they send like scripture or a peaceful. I beg take am. So I take two ones. Daniel Onimisi said nothing dey wrong to check each other privacy now, but to avoid heart attack or blood pressure, please no check am cause some men and women they hide skeleton inside cupboard. Then one last one. Patience Tida Samuel. He said no, it's not polite. Now baby this. And to be on the safer side as the ladies, you better don't check his phone. Cause you might see what you don't want you don't want to see. Love and respect each other. That's the priority of every marriage. Checking his phone will not stop him. Hey, you don't spoil this thing. This guy dropped good points.
Okay.
Hear it again.
Checking his phone.
Patience Tida Samuel. No, it's not polite, and to be on the safer side as the ladies, you better don't check his phone, cause you might see what you don't want to see. Love and respect each other. That's the priority of every marriage. Checking his phone will not stop him from cheating if he wants to. Bam.
I bet me sharply rush go do what don't spoil. When we come back, we still talk more. Away maybe go. Bubbles and Wazobia TV. Don't go away. Welcome back. Now the word don't spell. We can't solve you now.
Romeo and Juliet.
That kind of love where they die for person.
Telemundo love.
No, but I want to ask one question. When Bruno Mars been saying he go catch a grenade for person, I never see anybody for Nigeria we don't sing that kind of
No, that one be say, you know, say for Nigerians, we always tell our girlfriends say we have undying love. How I get undying love for you, I come go catch grenade for you again. When we say my love no fit die, I can't die. If I go catch grenade, that undying love will not die.
So do you
and
mean,
you will not go and marry my friend?
Do you mean in Nigeria, Titanic love cannot happen? Where Jack would die for Rose?
It depends. If not for Elegushi, Ubishi. It depends on the water.
I beg, my own is very simple. I beg, respect this 4-letter word where they call LOVE. Respect them, I beg. If you know, say you know truly love the person on the talker. Not the truth, not the talker.
This will be like behave.
Give me your last word.
Why the way?
My last word. My
Swear
last
for
word.
this guy.
No, because things they my belly. My last word.
You get
not checking your partner's phone is as good as not checking your HIV status. I'm coming. Wait.
Na last
I'm
word
coming.
we call am o.
Yes, na last
alarm.
wait. No verse. Say my last word today long small. I know say abeg. Because when you no check the phone, you get something wey dey on mind, you dey suspect. This phone wey dey lock one no dey check. I know say girls dey send message or men. You understand? So for you to clear that thing, break that barrier wey be so na fit dey free to check each other phone.
Sure.
My last word and my last take, in a way to counter Shaka. Let me tell you, if you be politician, some people where you say their hands, maybe you get some deals where you're
Now evil be that.
No,
Blood
evil,
money.
no.
Last
ritual. Now you are
ritual.
holding the financial people.
Why your wife no go sleep? Why your wife no go? Why
You cannot have it now.
your wife?
Good night.
Your wife is part of you.
Sakara, put it to you.
Your wife is part of
Constitution.
you.
That no, it's not possible. DJ, don't play music.
What do you mean?
No be by force. Tell them no be by force. As I try walk up, as I do my thing. Tell them no be by force. Tell them no be by force. Tell them no be by force. As I try walk up, as I do my thing. Tell them no be by force. You never see landlord, and if you never you live for house. You see your family, they never drop and if you no go drop and if you no go rush and go for road, police stop you, they catch you, see police. 2010 when I dropped my single, I was skinny and my face was full of pimple. Tell me, say this music industry simple. I go use my eyes to say no, tingo.